Aloha, Elaine here with WTI. Would you like to have your lips feel like a beautiful breeze from Hawaii? Then you will love this beautiful gift set from Hanalei. I really appreciate that natural Hawaiian sugarcane is used in this lip scrub. I only used a little dab and did exfoliating at night. The lip treatment made with Hawaiian kukui nut oil and shea butter lasted all night, and my lips felt like silk sheets in the morning. It was such a wonderful feeling. I just loved it. My all-time favorite flavor is the Lilikoi or passion fruit. I reach for it first all the time, but the tropical citrus sends your mind right to the breeze on the beach of Hawaii. I find the packaging is convenient to take all 5 luscious flavors of lip balm with me wherever I go. I feel this is top-notch gift set, and I am so happy to use it. So keep your lips Hawaiian soft with this beautiful lip set. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.